spots, Pete. So you have to flap your wings 15 times.
I don't want to do that.
Oh, come on, Pete.
Oh, you talked me into it. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Whoa. I'm tuckered out. I can't stand anymore.
Uh-oh. He only flapped 4 times.
We gotta help Pete shake away his chicken pox. Let's flap our wings and get together.
Starting from 5.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,